In today's video, I'm going over how to fix lag in Roblox. If you're new to the channel, please go down below and hit that subscribe button. I really do appreciate it. And while you're subscribing, please go and leave a like as well. It just gets this video to more people and shows that you appreciate it. And I really do appreciate it myself. So this is a really useful video. I'm going with a few different methods of how you can reduce lag in Roblox, but without any further ado, let's go and jump into this tutorial. As you can see, I'm now on Roblox, and let's get into our first method. So this is going to be one of many methods, so do just make sure you watch the whole video so you make sure you understand all of the methods I'll be going over in this video. So the first thing you want to do is actually get into Roblox so we can change some settings. So I'm going to go and open up, let's just say Jailbreak. So I'll click here, then click play, and then we can go and jump into this. So wait for it to load and we show you the key settings. Just make sure you open up Roblox like you usually would with the launcher, and I'll be showing you the setting once it goes and loads. So once you're in Roblox, all you want to do is press S or the Roblox logo in the top left, click there, wait for it to load, and you've got all of these options here: players, settings, report, help, record, come to settings, graphics quality. Now this is a really useful tool. Probably at the minute it could be on automatic, so make sure you go and put it on manual. Click it on manual and then you can adjust it to how it performs best for you. So you can have it on max, which is like this, or you can come back to settings and decrease it. So see sort of the balance between performance and quality. Obviously you probably want high performance and quality, otherwise you can't just play the game if it's really laggy but it's really clear. So you've got to find sort of the right balance. So you can sort of test that out to see how you sort of find the best balance. So the next method I'll be showing you is actually changing your power settings. So come down to your search down here and simply search for power settings, just like so, power and sleep settings, and click on there. It's going to open. Then you're going to have this window here, and all you want to do is come to additional power settings and wait for that to load. As you can see, we've now got this pop up here. It says choose or customize a power plan. Now when you first open this up, I imagine it's going to be unbalanced. I really recommend that you change it to high performance. This basically means your computer's going to use more power, but it's going to perform a lot higher. If you have it on balance, you're going to be limiting how much your laptop can perform, and yeah, it's just a sort of waste because you can't fully maximize it. But if you're trying to save battery, then that's obviously a different matter. But this is a really useful way of going up and speeding it, and I really do recommend having it on high performance, and you hopefully be able to get some higher FPS in Roblox and remove the lag. Okay, so the next setting is actually going to be changed within Roblox Studio. So of course, let's come back down to search and simply search Studio, just like so, not OBS, on Roblox Studio. Click there, and it's going to take a minute to open up, and I'll probably have to do an update or just install it. So wait for this to update, and if you're probably wondering how do I get this, it automatically is downloaded when you first get Roblox. So as long as you've got Roblox on your computer, you're going to have Roblox Studio, and I'll catch you up once this is finished loading. So once it loads, you're going to have this window here. All you want to do is come up to File, and then come down to Studio Settings, just here, and then you're going to get this pop up here. So what we want to do is come down to Rendering, and at the top you can see right here we've got Performance, and then come down to Rendering, and then you've got Performance. So you want to change the quality level. Now if we click on Automatic and then click on the arrow down, we're going to have this list here. Level 1 will have the most performance, but of course it's going to have the worst graphics, and level 21 is going to have a highest graphics but going to have really poor performance if you've got a slow PC. So yeah, once again, I'd really recommend testing and finding the best balance, because you know, it might not be necessary to have it all on level 1. You may be able to get away with it on like level 6, say. So that's all about testing, like I said before. So just mess around with it and see what works best. And if you scroll down, we've got another setting here, general. We've got graphics mode. So click on automatic, then click on the arrow again, and you've got this list here. Now I've heard OpenGL is sort of the least power intensive, so try that, but you know, you may not find it works that well, so then change it back to automatic and that'll work best for you. Once again, a lot of these sort of tips I'm giving you, they're all about just trying out and seeing if they work for you. I'm not saying they're like the best way, they're just an alternative way of trying to speed up your game. So another method is actually using a software called Roblox FPS Unlocker. So let's come to Google, and I'm going to simply search for Roblox FPS Unlocker. Now Roblox themselves have said this is perfectly allowed, and basically it's a way to help speed up Roblox, but it's also, its main purpose is to stop it capping at 60 FPS. So this was going to help. It may not make a huge difference, but it's worth the try. Its main purpose is to allow you to play at a higher FPS than 60. but it can still help speed Roblox up in general. So you're going to have this. It's going to probably be different depending on the most recent update, and at the minute it was September the 10th. So then you want to go and click download here. So go and click download here, and you're going to go and get the download. Then you want to click on the zip file. If you can't open that, you're going to need a zip file opener. So to go and get something like this, go and simply Google WinRAR. I'll show you that just now, but you'll get this application. All you need to do is double click it, and it's going to run it, as you can see, and this is going to speed up Roblox. And then you're going to have this logo in your desktop bar. As you can see, it says Roblox FPS Unlocker. You can right click on it and you get a few sort of options here. So like I said, main purpose is to stop the cap, but you can also get some more settings as well. So that's really useful. It doesn't open my main window like I just said, and it's down there, and you can go next to it if you want, but that can work really, really well. And then it's going to simply work when you open up Roblox. It's just going to help speed it up. So I hope you do try that out. That may not work that well, but it's still a method I recommend trying if you're trying to, obviously try everything to speed up Roblox. So try that one out. I do recommend it. Another trick is going to be using this. So what you want to do is come to your search bar down here once again and simply search performance. And then you want to come to adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. Click there and you're going to get this pop up here. Now, as you can see, you have a few options here. You can let Windows choose what's best for my computer, adjust for best appearance, adjust for best performance. You could click there and then click apply. However, I don't personally want it, and it is going to change the look of Windows. So just remember that it's going to look a bit different, but of course you can change it back by simply clicking let Windows choose what's best for my computer. This is a good way, but like I said, it changes the whole look of Windows, and it basically makes Windows less power intensive, like resource intensive, so you can give more to Roblox, of course, but that is quite drastic. But of course it is a way if you want to do that. Another method is actually going and getting yourself a new computer. Now do not worry, because there are really cheap options like a second-hand computer, and just remember Roblox is a fairly low powered game, so therefore a cheap computer should be able to run Roblox fairly well as long as you do enough research into it. So do make sure you do sort of take a look into that type of view, because you may be able to save yourself a lot of time if you do just end up having to go and buy a second-hand computer, simply because it will then be able to run Roblox absolutely fine, hopefully, if you get a decent model. But yeah, make sure you go check that out. But basically, if you want to see more Roblox tutorials, check out the channel, guys. I make so many every single week, and additionally, make sure you subscribe so you keep up to date with new ones. But also, if you have any Roblox tutorial ideas, please do comment them down below. I'm always open to making new tutorials. The channel's growing so fast at the minute, and it means a lot to me. We're coming into 50,000 subscribers, which is absolutely insane, and I'm just so happy the channel's growth. So thank you if you did manage to watch this far as well, because yeah, I just really do appreciate it. And if there's any other type of tutorials, not just Roblox as well, I meant to say that earlier, comment down below, because I'm open to any video idea. I really do appreciate it. But yeah, thank you so much for watching this far into the video. You're an absolute legend if you have. Please go down below right now and subscribe to the channel to keep up to date with every single video, and go and leave a like, and why not leave a comment as well if you have watched this far. Yeah, just leave a comment. But yeah, I hope you have a very awesome day. Click one of the videos on the screen right now. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.